Imagine a camera so advanced, it doesn't just capture your world. It anticipates your next move before you even make it. For years, the battle for the ultimate action camera has been a game of inches, but the latest leaks coming out of DJI's headquarters suggest they aren't interested in inches anymore. They're aiming for a complete overhaul. We're talking about the DJI Osmo Action 7. And if these reports are even half accurate, the entire industry is about to get a wake-up call that will leave competitors scrambling to keep up. The rumors surfacing right now aren't just minor spec bumps. We're hearing whispers of a massive 1.1-inch sensor, a leap in hardware that changes the physics of what's possible in low-light environments. You know those grainy, noisy shots you usually get when the sun goes down? The Action 7 is rumored to make them a thing of the past. By leveraging a larger sensor, DJI is positioning this device not just as a GoPro alternative, but as a legitimate powerhouse that could replace larger, bulkier cameras for professional creators who need to move fast. But it's not just about the sensor. The buzz around RockSteady 5.0 is real. We've seen steady footage before, but this new AI-driven stabilization is allegedly designed to predict erratic motion patterns using machine learning, effectively creating a gimbal-like smoothness directly inside the hardware. This is a game-changer for mountain bikers, FPV drone pilots, and anyone who's tired of carrying extra stabilization gear. Think about it. A camera that knows when you're about to take a sharp turn and pre-calculates the frame movement to keep your horizon locked dead center. And then there's the elephant in the room, 8K resolution. While the market has been flirting with high-fidelity capture, the thermal management leaks suggest that DJI has cracked the code on cooling. Long-form recording in 8K without the device overheating is the holy grail of action videography. And the rumored dual ventilation architecture suggests that this might finally be the year we get true, sustained, high bitrate cinematic footage in a pocket-sized package. We also have to talk about the battery technology. The biggest pain point for any action shooter is the constant need to swap packs. The word on the street is that the Action 7 will introduce a high-density silicon anode battery. This isn't just a slightly bigger capacity. It's a new chemistry that allows for thinner cells with significantly higher power density. You could be looking at nearly double the recording time of the current generation, allowing you to capture those epic day-long expeditions without worrying about your gear dying halfway through the summit. Connectivity is another frontier that's getting a massive upgrade. Integration with the DJI ecosystem, specifically the Osmo Audio and seamless Swift transfer tech, means your workflow is about to get significantly faster. Imagine finishing a sequence, and before you've even packed your bag, the high-res footage is already synced to your phone, ready for color grading or instant upload. This efficiency is exactly what modern, mobile-first creators have been begging for. But why does this matter to you? Because the lines between amateur and pro are blurring. With these rumored features, DJI is making it possible for someone with zero professional training to produce footage that looks like it came from a Hollywood studio. Whether you're a traveler, a professional athlete, or just someone who wants to document their life in the highest quality possible, the Action 7 represents a shift in accessibility. We are entering an era where your hardware is no longer the bottleneck for your creativity. As we look at the potential price points, the consensus among supply chain insiders is that DJI is aiming for a competitive launch. They know that to take market share, they have to deliver more value than the incumbents. Expect them to aggressively bundle this with their ecosystem accessories to keep you locked into the DJI world. This is a strategic move to ensure that once you get your hands on this camera, you won't want to use anything else. So, is it time to hold off on your next camera purchase? The answer is a resounding yes. If you're planning an upgrade, seeing what this device brings to the table is worth the wait. We're in the final stages of the rumor cycle, and historically, this is when the most accurate leaks start to drop. Stick with us, because as soon as the first official press images leak, we'll be breaking them down pixel by pixel to show you exactly what to expect. This isn't just an update. It's the future of action capture, and you're seeing it here first.